Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today we are going to be making a comforting potato and zucchini soup. Since we've officially entered into the soup season, I thought I would share a delicious soup with you. I have diced up some zucchini and peeled and diced up some potatoes and carrots, celery, onion, and garlic. Those are the simple ingredients you'll need. And today I'm going to be using this Better Than bouillon. This stuff is great. Makes making your soup so simple. You will also need some olive oil to saute all of your veggies. So grab a pot, drizzle in some olive oil. I usually start with my temperature on high, and then when it gets up to temperature, drop in those onions, season with a little bit of salt and pepper, and saute until soft. And then add the diced garlic. Continue to saute on medium heat. And now go ahead and add in your celery and carrots. And saute until soft. And again, season with salt and pepper. And next, I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of dried oregano. I have not ran out into the garden yet to get the rest of the fresh herbs. But now you can go ahead and add in your zucchini and saute until soft. And now while it cooks, I'm going to run outside and grab some parsley and some thyme. These will be perfect in the soup. There is nothing better than fresh herbs in soup. It just makes it come alive. Now add in your potatoes, and we're gonna saute them for a little bit, let them soften, and while that is working its magic, we are gonna be making this Better Than bouillon. So you'll need 1 teaspoon for every cup. So in here I'm adding 2 teaspoons to 2 cups of hot water. Mix it around and then you can add it to your soup. I am adding a total of 6 cups. I feel like with this Better Than bouillon, you don't have to add a lot of salt to your soup, which makes it so easy. And you can have this little container in your fridge. You don't have to buy the boxes of chicken stock, and you don't have to make your own. If you're a fan of this Better Than bouillon, comment below. You know, if you've watched my recipes, I love making stuff from scratch. Homemade vegetable stock, homemade chicken stock. But now I don't have the time to do that. So Better Than bouillon is one of my favorites now. Now you'll want to let this cook for about 30 minutes, and then you'll notice that your potatoes will thicken the liquid and you can get a fork through it. Now I want you to take your immersion blender, is that what it is? The stick blender, and blend up those potatoes and zucchini, all of the vegetables, blend it up. Don't blend it up too much because you're going to want a couple of the bigger chunks of potatoes. That's what makes the soup interesting. You want to have not just, liquid, you want to have some little pieces of vegetables. And now check the consistency. If it's too thick, you can always add more chicken stock, but I think this is perfect. There's some pieces of potato, think it's ready to serve. This is a perfect soup for a cold day or a lunch on the weekends, a lunch before a soccer game, rainy soccer game, or a trip to the apple orchard. This would really warm you up. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and enjoy fall. And thanks again for coming back to my channel. And until next time, happy cooking.